Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer car insurance when you move states using State Farm. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your car insurance when moving to a new state with State Farm, begin by gathering your current policy information. Locate your policy number and any relevant documents that outline your coverage. Next, research the car insurance requirements of your new state. Different states have varying minimum coverage limits, so it's crucial to understand what is needed. Contact your State Farm agent or customer service to discuss your move. Inform them of your new address and the effective date of your move. Your agent will assist you in updating your policy to comply with the regulations of your new state. Review any changes in premium that may occur due to the transfer. Confirm that your coverage meets the legal requirements of your new state. If additional coverage is needed, consider discussing options with your agent. Ask about any discounts you may qualify for in your new state. Once adjustments have been made, carefully review the revised policy documents. Make sure all your information is accurate before finalizing the transfer. If everything looks good, confirm the effective date of your new policy. Finally, keep copies of your insurance documents easily accessible in your vehicle. You're now ready to drive legally and safely in your new state with your updated State Farm insurance policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.